Hey guys, it's Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do an unboxing video of this item here. I actually ordered this item about 2 weeks ago and I've kept it around because I wanted to do this video. So this was an item that I saw a few celebrities and YouTubers use, so I was pretty intrigued by it, and I wanted to just do the unboxing, a first impressions video, as well as probably a demo if I could get to it. But before that, I also wanted to just share with you what are some of the items that I got. I only bought one and I finally got my Rouge status, and I also got 3 free samples as well as another free gift from the code that I was using. So I've already opened the box from the bottom and I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So this was the item that I purchased. So this is the Nurse Jamie Uplift Massaging Beauty Roller. So before I get to this, let me just show you what else I got in the box. So because I received Rouge status, I got this Sephora Rouge 2018 brush. So it's pretty cute. I think I saw it online, so it looks like a face brush of sorts, and I think it can be pretty useful. So it comes in this very cute polka dot pouch, and here it is. So it's I think it's a face or cheek brush, I'm not too sure. So it says Rouge 2018. Oh wow, look at that. It seems soft. I'm not too sure if it's synthetic or not, but yeah, I could probably use this when I travel or something. So yeah, thank you for the gift, Sephora. So anyway, from the code, what I got was this. So it's the brightening enzyme water cream. So it's in this tiny pot, which is so adorable. It smells pretty good, so yeah. And the next few items out of the 3 free samples that I got was this Miu Miu perfume, and there's one Terry Muglia, I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, so this is the alien perfume. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to try that. And the third sample is this Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter. So this is the primer. I actually have the full size, but I think this is adorable to get it in a smaller size, so I can just use this when I go traveling. So anyway, that's enough of the other items that I got. So now back to the main purchase of this. This actually cost me, I think it was 86 Canadian. So if you're wondering what this is, it's supposedly, it's by Nurse Jamie. I think she's this I think she's a nurse, I'm not too sure. I didn't really read up. So basically what happened was I was watching a few videos of celebrities like I forgot. So anyway, I was watching videos and then I saw this item, and then I think they were talking about how it helped to firm their skin and how it helped to absorb their moisturizer well, and creams and whatever. So I thought that, you know, it would be nice to try. Yeah, let's just go ahead with it. So I think it comes in 2 colors. It comes in this purple and black. So of course I wanted purple. If there was pink, I'll be like, oh my god. Let me just try to open it without damaging the box in case I do want to return it. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think that this is a fake item? Okay, not say fake, but you think it will be a fluke item. So anyway, it says it's an innovative rolling massager for the face and body that temporarily improves and uplifts your skin's appearance, and the Uplift Beauty Tools utilizes a unique rhythmic rolling action, replicating the techniques used in my signature facials at our exclusive spa. Okay, just open it. Oh man, oh wow, look at that. So it's a nice purple long thing. Oh no, I don't know if I can open it without damaging my nails. Okay, here you go. So oh, it's pretty heavy. Wow. Okay, so it's supposed to rotate as such. It's quite heavy and quite sturdy to touch, and yeah, so as I was saying, it contains 24 massaging stones. It's suitable for most skin types. It has a unique hexagonal shape. No batteries required. It's portable, easy to use, and it's great for traveling. So, oh, okay, there's a Uplift Massaging Beauty Roller and User Guide inside. Okay, so there it is. Please read before use. Okay, so it looks something like that. So it pretty much tells you where. I hope you you can see this. It pretty much tells you where you can use this beauty roller on. So pretty much on the cheeks. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna... It's a bit dusty. Why is it dusty? Oh man, should I? Okay, I have makeup on, so it's not on direct skin. So I think I'm just going to not be an OCB and just try it on. So it says you can try it on the cheeks. Oh wow. The stones actually feel cool to the touch and feels like I'm rolling something cold. Okay, is it smearing my makeup? Oh my god. Okay, so I'm trying it on the cheeks. It feels wet. It feels as though I'm spreading a wet okay, it sounds wrong. It feels as though I'm spreading a wet liquid or solution onto my cheek, but actually I'm not, so it's just pretty cool. Okay, so you can do it on the jaw, and I'm not going to do it because obviously it's covered by my hijab. You can do it on the forehead. Ooh, wow, it feels it actually feels good. It feels like, I would imagine if I'm having a headache, I can use this to just try to calm my headache down or calm myself down. I don't know. You can use it on the brow area. Okay, no, it's not rolling. Okay, yeah, you can use it on the under eye. Oh wow, okay, this actually does feel good. I think this feels, I hope it can depuff my eye bags, and it actually feels cool to the touch. But you know what, I think I am getting a bit of my makeup on it, so I hope my makeup is not smearing on the video. Oh, it feels good. I would imagine this would be a very nice thing to use when I wake up or once I'm done with my skincare regime, so I'll try that. You can use it under the chin, and you can use it on the neck. You know what, I'm just gonna use it under the neck. You can't see it, but oh wow, you know what, it's cold. I like that it's cold. It feels nice. Okay, but probably when it's cold, I wouldn't want to use this during the winter. Okay, so what I'm doing is, you can't see it, but I am just rolling it under my hijab on my neck, and it feels nice. Maybe you can remove my double chin. Okay, so I've done the neck, and you can do it on the décolleté, I don't know, yeah, and the body. Okay, so I'm not too sure why I want to do it on the body, but I'm just gonna use this for my face. You guys know I'm gonna disinfect this thing before I use it on my face after my skincare, so yeah, I'm just gonna do that. But I'm not sure if this would really work, but I quite like, honestly, first impression, I quite like the feeling of it and how it's rolling on my skin. So I'll probably just try this first and see if it does have any positive effects on my face. Maybe I'll do a before after photo, but I would think this would take some time. If it works, then yay for me, but if it doesn't, then I don't know. I could return it, I guess, since it's from Sephora. Yeah, so tell me what you guys think. If you think this was a waste of money and you've tried it and it does not work, so let me know in the comments below. Do you think I should return this, or do you think I should just, you know what, you've gotten it, just try it for a couple of months, and if it doesn't work, then use it as a paperweight or something. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you've liked this video, and if you do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe. You guys know I appreciate it, and yeah, till next time, bye.